What's up guys, it's Joseph, and this is an $8 nylon punch set from Amazon. I'll have an affiliate link down in the description if you want to check them out, but I just wanted to make a video because there's no description of how big these things are when you order them. You can see the small ones are about as big around as a fat Sharpie, 1.23 centimeters, and then they're 10 centimeters long. And this larger one is a bit wider, 1.5 by 15 centimeters. Here are all the tips. So these are actually for paintless dent repair, so they're actually pretty stiff. Like for example, these, if you try to bend them, barely bend. Like a Sharpie will definitely bends more than these do. One review said that they're actually too soft for paintless dent repair, but I'm just gonna use them for gun stuff. For example, punching out the rear takedown pin. I'm gonna see, it lets you push it through. Now you can just grab it and open it up. Alright guys, that's about it for the video. Affiliate link down below. Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll talk to you guys later.